go. That's the cap. And I don't know if you can see, but there are some bubbles from the cap. But the cap is just on there for, yeah, you can see the bubbles. But the cap is just on there for testing. So that proves that you can see the bubbles growing. So that proves the bubbles do show up. But if we spray down around the welds, by the way, the cylinder is charged to 50 pounds, 50 psi right now. So we got no bubblies over here. And the bung for the air charge, the air filler, nothing there. That's at 50 pounds. That's good. All right. So none of my welds are leaking at 50 pounds. The cap is obviously on there just for testing. What will replace the cap is the pneumatic valve, the sprinkler valve, the 2-inch sprinkler valve. So the cap is just on there for testing, and this testing so far is looking good. All right. Anywho, more goop, more soapy water, nothing. Very nice. All right. Cylinder's complete. Now all I got to do is put on the 2-inch sprinkler valve, the dump valve, and build barrels, and it needs a guard. I've got to build a guard up the top so that the plastic sprinkler head doesn't get cracked when it falls over. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with the outcome of this part of the project. All right, that's enough. We'll talk to you later, YouTube. Bye.